back to my channel. I'm trying my Bugatti scooter, but we're gonna drive the SLR because that's my favorite SLR, maybe my favorite car since I got it. That thing just looks like a mad eagle. Look at that, angry bird. All right, let's go. Since I haven't driven this in a while, since the last video I shot, I figure I'd take this puppy out. It's just one of my favorite specs. And the best part of it is the sound of the exhaust. Well, MSO delivered this car with 2 sets of white gloves because this car is so pure white. I need to get Hermes to make me some white gloves.
Was it your decision to do red seat belts? Or?
Of course. So red dials, red seat belts, obviously the red in the design of the checker of the seat. They even put a red tag on my key. See? This is so cool. Look at that. I love the ignition switch right there underneath the gear. All right, let's go. Oh my God! You didn't expect that, did you?
I expect that at all.
Holy moly! Oh my God! And I haven't even left the property. Woo! Hello, mama.
The only thing about this is it doesn't have a lift on.
Nope, doesn't have it left. There's a long nose. So you gotta be very careful like what is super angle. Oh. Okay, it tells me your door's open, Nate.
Yep.
There we go. Not only you need your tires warmed up, you need your gloves warmed up too, your hands, so you don't slap. Oh my God! All right. This is ridiculously fast. I wonder how much horsepower is over a stock SLR. I gotta call MSO. I know it's a lot more horsepower from... Oh.
What's the stock MS?
612.
612?
Well, I think it is, maybe that was the Carrier GT. I think 612 is over 600 horsepower. It's just gonna be 607, 612. It's been a while, but you guys comment down below. I'm sure by now you're Googling it. Oh my God, this is, I can't believe how fun this car is. Man, we need to drive this more often.
I feel like this car has more soul than most of your cars.
Oh, it has all the soul. All the soul escaped from my speed tail went into this car. All right, let's go warm up some tires, guys. I feel like the Joker character in the Batman movie. All right.
Oh my gosh, it just keeps revving out. That is crazy.
Wow. There's not a lot of cars that shock me, but this is one of them. I don't think I can ever sell this car. I've had so many people reach out to me, offer me crazy money on this car, but I keep losing my hand.
You said you had a lot of offers on this car?
Yeah, I've had at least 3 different people offer me. They said, just name your price. I'm like, all right, we'll go back. This is too much. This is too much excitement. I don't want to have a heart attack. And I think we're gonna exit and make a U-turn. Oh my God. Whew. Dude, I'm blown away. I don't know, did this car get better? It was sitting in the garage?
I think you just haven't driven it.
Oh my God. Or else, my other cars are super boring. It's even loud with the windows up. Woo! Incredible, incredible. I don't know, I think this is my favorite car now. You know, P1 was always my #1, but this is just so much more excitement from the sound and just, I don't know, the spec as well. I'm telling you guys, I usually do 5 cups of coffee before I do a video. In this one, you only need 2. This thing is, whoo, whoo, mood changing. Oh, oh. Back to my palace. I'm
Now-
king of the castle, king of the castle, king of the castle.
How have things changed from now that you reside here instead of the other location?
Oh, I don't know. It feels like an empty nest. It's so big. This thing is 71,000 square feet. I only occupy 20,000 square feet.
Oh, wow.
And it's a big property, you know, over 6 acres. So it always feels empty. Over there was more happening because I had 25 employees in 25,000 square feet.
Yeah.
So, but hey, I'm not complaining. I love it. I guess I need to open more companies and hire more people. Woo! Guys, I wish you were sitting in this car. Be my passenger. Incredible driving experience. Thank you, MSO. This is ultimately my #1 car right now. Amazing, amazing job. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be safe, be well, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And comment down below which car you want me to drive next.